Hey, Chef Andre here. Today we're gonna make an awesome mango banana cream pie smoothie. So easy, low calorie, you're gonna love it. So we're gonna be starting off with a nice ripe banana. You don't want it overripe where it's rotten or it's got a lot of bad spots on it. We're gonna peel it. Make sure you peel it well. Get all those little strings off of that banana too. If you leave those in there, it will make it slightly bitter. We're going to juice about a half a lemon. If you don't have fresh lemon and you're using stuff out of a jar, make sure it's about a tablespoon's worth. After that, we're going to mash that banana. You can use that paddle thing that comes with the blender, or if you don't have one, use a wooden spoon. You don't want to get your fingers near that the blades of that blender. When you mash that banana in, it's going to give it a great, nice flavor, almost like a candied banana imitation flavor, but it's not. It's all natural and it tastes great. Next thing we're adding is 3/4 cup of frozen mango. This helps keep everything frozen. If you use fresh, it tends to get a little melty. Now we're adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweetener. I like to use the monkfruit. You can also use honey or even maple syrup if you like. Right here I added just a little pinch of salt. That's a real key for this frozen treat. A little salt really enhances the flavor. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of almond milk. I use the unsweetened vanilla flavor. It does need a little vanilla, so if you don't have it, make sure you use a little bit of a vanilla extract. I added 2 cups of ice here. Make sure the ice is right from the freezer. Don't let it sit on your countertop too long. Then put it in, even it out, and then secure that lid on it and turn on your blender. We're going to blend it real well, slowly increasing the speed, and push down any air pockets in there with your paddle or wooden spoon. So if you hear that blade just spinning around in there, make sure you pack it down so that the blades can really connect with the smoothie and blend it well. Keep blending until you see a nice bright yellow to it. You don't see any ice chunks. You don't want to blend this too much. Over blending will melt it and it'll generate heat after a while. But you're going to see a nice, vivid, bright yellow, and that's about it. This is a great smoothie snack. You can have at night. The banana in it helps you sleep. It's also nice to have on these hot days. Top it off with a little bit of that whipped coconut cream. There's another recipe down there for it. And enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we're going to make Skinny tasty.